ceramic cookware has moved from a niche option to a mainstream choice for health-conscious cooks who want non-stick performance without PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, or heavy metal concerns. This comparison analyzes 5 21 to 27-piece sets across a price spectrum from budget to premium, evaluating build quality, non-stick performance, heat distribution, handle and lid design.
Product number 1. Sensart 14-piece ceramic non-stick induction cookware set. This 14-piece Sensart set emphasizes a promise of healthy ceramic non-stick coating free from PFOA, PTFE, PFAS, PFOS, lead, and cadmium. It features a 4.8mm thick stainless steel pan bottom for compatibility with induction and die-cast aluminum construction to promote quick, even heating. The set includes a mix of fry pans, a large sauté pan, a casserole, a small saucepan, 2 utensils, and pot protectors with stay-cool Bakelite handles and explosion-proof glass lids. The hand-wash-only care instruction is typical for ceramic coatings that rely on delicate surfaces, though it limits dishwasher convenience. Performance-wise, the 4.8mm base helps mitigate warping and supports even heat spread, but the absence of an oven-safe claim, not oven-safe per spec, reduces versatility for one-pot meals that finish in the oven. In practice, users should expect easy cleanup and low-oil cooking, with the caveat of potentially faster heat-up and a preference for medium heat thresholds to preserve coating longevity. The 15-pound package weight suggests sturdy build for daily use, though the glass lid adds weight for tall sauces. Durability hinges on avoiding metal utensils and harsh abrasives to protect the ceramic coating. Product number 2. 25 pieces pots. The Bazova 25-piece cream white ceramic set aims to deliver maximum coverage for a family with a single purchase. It includes a wide assortment: 2 fry pans, a grill pan, multiple casseroles with lids, a sauce and sauté pan, a steamer insert, utensils, and protective pads. The construction uses a ceramic non-stick surface on an aluminum body with Bakelite handles, and it is explicitly PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, and PFOS free. It is induction compatible and designed for low to medium heat use, with a stated claim of lasting up to 5x longer than traditional pans. In use, the 27.2-pound total weight indicates a substantial set with robust heat capacity, but it may be cumbersome for small kitchens or single cooks. The set's coverage is excellent for family meals, including a steamer insert for healthier options. Cleaning is described as easy, but the lack of dishwasher safety means ongoing hand washing. While the kit emphasizes non-toxicity and low oil, the sheer volume of pieces can complicate storage and organization. The included protective pads help with stacking. Product number 3. Carot's 27-piece ceramic cookware set non-stick. Carot's 27-piece green ceramic set is designed for versatility with detachable handles, enabling oven use and easy stocking. It includes a full complement of fry pans, saucepans, sauté pan, stock pots, lids, trivets, and multiple detachable handles, plus several utensils and an assortment of pan protectors. The set advertises non-toxic construction with PFAS, PFOA, PFOS-free coatings, and a dishwasher-safe claim for certain components, along with induction compatibility. This model emphasizes space-saving benefits without sacrificing performance for outdoor or RV camping use. Performance-wise, detachable handles are a notable differentiator, enabling oven use and compact storage, which appeals to campers and small space environments. The ceramic coating provides easy food release and reduced oil use, though the ability to detach handles means you must reattach securely for stovetop use. Carot's emphasis on a strict PFAS, PFOA, PFOS-free policy aligns with health-conscious buyers. The set's weight,
estimated 18.2 pounds, and build quality suggest reasonable durability with routine care. Product number 4. Sensart Ceramic Cookware Sets. The premium 26-piece Sensart set expands the brand's ceramic nonstick story with a larger package that covers fry pans, a sauté pan, multiple stock pots with lids, saucepans, a grill pan, and crepe pan with spreader, plus utensils and protectors. It inherits the same health-centric coating, PFOA, PTFE, PFAS, and PFOS free, and a die-cast aluminum body with a stainless base for stability. The set emphasizes durable, even heating and ergonomic stay-cool Bakelite handles with explosion-proof glass lids, suitable for induction, electric, and gas stoves. It is not oven-safe and is dishwasher unfriendly, similar to other ceramic offerings. In practice, this is a do-it-all package for multi-serving meals, with the 4.8mm base supporting consistent heating across large surface areas. The absence of oven compatibility reduces bake and broil versatility, but the full complement of lids shared among pieces improves efficiency. Cleaning remains straightforward with the ceramic surface, but the need for hand washing and careful utensil choices to avoid scratching persists. The heft, 34.4 pounds, reflects a premium build, which can be a trade-off for storage space. Product number 5. AstraCook Non-Stick RV Pots. The AstraCook budget set focuses on essential non-stick performance with a detachable, removable handle design for compact storage. It is oven-safe and induction-ready, with a stackable form factor and a Bakelite silicone hybrid handle system. The inclusion of 21 pieces broadens its appeal to buyers seeking a low-cost yet versatile kit that covers everyday cooking needs, with a focus on space-saving and ease of cleaning. The build uses aluminum with ceramic granite composites and an emphasis on compatibility with multiple heat sources. Performance-wise, the removable handle feature is a standout for budget offerings, enabling quick cleaning and space optimization. The cookware is described as dishwasher safe, which is unusual for ceramic sets and may be marketing variants. User experience reports would be helpful to confirm this. The cookware supports induction, gas, and ceramic hobs, but the overall long-term durability may hinge on how robust the detachable mechanism remains under repeated attachment cycles. The weight is relatively light, 11.41 pounds, which favors portability and quick kitchen setups.